Good day, sir. Midshipman Talokod. I'm here to report about the different kinds of navigational charts. Coastal charts are intended for near-shore navigation, entering or leaving bays and harbors, and in navigating the larger inland waterways. Some coast charts are omit detail in areas that are covered by larger scale charts. Kini mo ni siya like uh, nag-provide siya sa detalyado nga counters sa tubig depths kalawmon para mo-guide siya sa vessels layo sa shallow nga area. So naga-ensure po ni siya sa lighthouse, naga-ensure siya sa safety ani sa passage niya. So more.
A map showing the principal meteorological element at a given time and over an extended region. A chart portraying the state of the atmospheric circulation and weather at a particular time over a wide area. It is derived from a careful analysis of simultaneous weather observation and at many observing points in the area.
Harbor chart. Harbor charts published at scale of 1 to 50,000 and larger are intended for navigating in harbors and smaller waterways and for anchorage. Harbor charts present more numerous soundings that are shown on smaller scale charts and all attempts to maximize the accuracy of position determined from plotted bearing. Kaning harbor charts, gamiton ni siya kung naka sa mga pantalan o mga guot na waterways, mga gagmay lang waterways, ug magtangkurahe mo.
Sailing chart. Sailing chart are the small-scale charts used for planning, fixing position at sea, and for plotting the dead reckoning while proceeding on a long voyage. The scale is generally smaller than 1 to 600,000. The shoreline and topography are generalized and only offshore soundings. The principal navigational lights, outer bows, and landmarks visible at considerable distance are shown. Ang pasabot sa sailing chart is gamay kasi ang sailing chart gamit for planning and also using for plotting. The smaller scale is generally 1 to 600,000 for offshore soundings. That's all.
A. Weather chart. A map showing the principal meteorological element at a given time and hour over an extended region. A chart portraying the state of the atmospheric circulation and weather at a particular time over a wide area. It is derived from a careful analysis or simultaneous weather observation made at many observing points in the area.